morning, my name is Meenuhal and I am a first year student. Today I will be showing you how to make fish a la Orly. To make fish a la Orly, first we are going to make our marination. For this we are going to take a clean bowl and add some chopped garlic, some chopped parsley, lemon juice and some oil. I will also be adding some salt and pepper to it. Now I will be mixing it together so that everything is mixed with. Now it's time to add our fish into the marination. Now I will be mixing it. The fish has been marinated. Now we will leave it in the fridge for at least half an hour. As you know, fish a la Orly is a battered fish, so while the fish is resting in the fridge, we are going to make the batter for it. First we are going to add some flour, water, baking soda, salt, pepper and water. Now we are going to mix it well. We are going to adjust the water as it requires. You can replace the water by adding beer, champagne or soda for better flavor. Now our batter is ready. So now I am going to pass my fish through some seasoned flour and then the batter so that the batter sticks to it, and then I am going to fry it. Our fish is now ready. We are going to dish it out. Pizza a la Orly is now ready to be served.